This is the story of a bat and how she went from this to this. Here's how we create our limited edition friends here at Hazel Village. It starts with a sketch. Our team of elves takes into account all the requests we've received, but ultimately, our head elf Jane follows her heart. Out of that comes Florence Bat and her entire collection. Next comes the sampling process, which is done here in our Brooklyn workshop. Since we were doing a bat, Jane decided she needed special features like her little toes and her linen wings. Jane was even able to visit our artisans in Nepal, where she got to discuss Florence with Manjita and her talented team. Here's their sample of Florence Bat. Meanwhile, in Cambodia, San and her team were creating these tiny little tree frogs, which Florence named flowers. Months passed, and the final production of Florence arrived. The packing elves get busy prepping for her launch. And while that was going on, our marketing team was creating assets and product photos using this brand new backdrop that Jane painted. That's how we took this photo. Jane also painted this postcard to be included in Florence's orders. Now we get to dress up Florence and wait for her launch. 10 minutes before her launch, we watched as people logged onto our website from all across the world, and now we're shipping her to you. So thank you so much for supporting our friend Florence Bat. We hope you love her as much as we do.